starting off with earn by time today. The current rate is $17 an hour, and we got a really cringe order right off the bat. This is McDonald's going 8 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you. Oh my, this is going so far. How is there not a closer McDonald's to you? I just don't believe that at all. And this is all for 2 sausage egg McMuffins, by the way. So I can already guess this is going to be a very terrible order. I mean, I called it, didn't I? Total ended up being $8 and change. So you would think it's a good order because it was at least $1 per mile. But I got to drive about 7 miles back. So not so much. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 3 miles. Hello. 94 seat. Thank you. Apparently they have the wrong address listed, and in their notes they're giving me their new address, but the new address is about 6 miles further than where the original one is. So it's kind of up to me whether or not I want to drive that distance for them. I am on earn by time, but I don't got a good feeling about this order either way. So I might just drop it off at the original, because I already checked in with DoorDash support and they're pretty much just saying it's up to me. I won't be penalized for not delivering to their new address.
Hey.
Hello. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Okay, well, it looked like they were expecting me either way, so I guess I was supposed to disregard their message. That doesn't really make too much sense to me, but okay, whatever. And of course they didn't tip, so I don't know, dude. I think I was in the wrong no matter what I did for this order. Total for that was $5. Oh, and also they just kicked me off of earn by time because they wanted me to go 13 miles. Yeah, we're not doing that. And we just got the next order. This is muchas gracias. $10 going 5 miles. Hello. For Kyle. Thank you. Meet at door. Note from customer. Don't knock, just leave at the door. Another conflicting order. Gotta love it. Just got the next order. This is... what is this? Oh, this is Chick-fil-A. $16 going 8 miles.
I have the DoorDash for Jonathan. There you are.
Thank you. Just got the next orders. This is technically 3 Safeway pickups. This is gonna be $22 going 9 miles. Hello.
Hi. Okay, come in here.
Okay, I've got 3 orders.
Okay. Okay. So we have 5 up here, and then 6 is down below, and 7 is on top. They're all individually labeled.
Oh, 7, you mean like as 7?
Yes,
Gotcha.
007.
Makes sense.
And the receipts are in the bag, so if you have any problems,
I need those.
yep, please don't take them out of all the bags.
I need to, they stay with us.
No, those do not stay with you.
They don't get the receipts.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
All right, whatever. I'm gonna take them, whatever happens, happens. There's nothing on that one. 5. not to be that guy, but these people do not know what they're doing. Like, it's one thing to be misinformed. Like, it literally tells me, do not give them the receipts. But like, when you straight up lie to me on where the order actually is in the cart, like half of one order was on the top, the other half was on the very bottom. Like, that was just a flat out lie. And then that one bag with the chicken in it, not labeled at all. How was I supposed to know where to deliver that? Please tell me. Am I just supposed to hand it out at random and hopefully get it right? Or should I take the receipts out of the bag and look for it, do your job for you, so I can deliver the orders properly? That's a toughie. Also, realistically, for this order to be worth it, I have to complete it in about an hour, which I think is still possible, even though I spent like 25 minutes waiting for the orders to come out to me and figuring out how to organize them. Tell me where that's labeled. Hello.
Oh, come in, my
Sure.
goodness. Yeah, just have to go.
Right on the counter?
Thank you.
Sure. And I think I need a signature from you.
Okay.
And let me double check if I need a signature from you.
I don't think so.
No.
Here's your tip. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day. Definitely very annoying, but we got it done, I think, within the hour. Plus, we got an extra $5. That makes it so much more worth it. Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. I think it's Mexican food, but I don't know what restaurant exactly. And the other one, I believe it was Black Rock Coffee. This is $15 going 7.5 miles. This might be a taco truck. Yeah, this is a taco truck. Never been here before. Thank you. Thank you.
That and this other drink.
Thank you.
Of course, you take care.
You too. So I've been sitting here for probably about 15 to 20 minutes, and every single order that I've received has wanted me to go across the river that's at least 10 miles plus just to get there. Of course, I'd have to drive that all the way back as well, so obviously not taking any of them. Yeah, I don't think this is happening today, unfortunately. Current time is 9:33. Total, we are at $80. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.